unloading his Uberti Colt 45.
Big shell. That's it, fellas.
How'd you like it?
Pretty nice gun.
Yeah?
Nice. As you can see by the target, it's pretty close. Pretty on. Got a kick. Nice kick to it.
Not too bad for his first time shooting that gun.
Granted, I ain't, 300 miles away, but I mean, there ain't so much room you can do here, as you can tell. But very nice gun. Very smooth.
All right.